Release it. Don't protect it. Ama, nobody is asking anybody to protect anybody. I did where I started here. Nobody needs any protection. Release it. One day, Busa say, Nanado is my warfare. Na said, Nanado, Ama, what kind of question is that? Nanado is my warfare. Michin Kwasiasem. Nanado is not my warfare. He is nothing to me. Me a human being. I don't like people that some things I don't get it. Obi ya dear. And just then I can't. Charlie, me video no. I'm more as I'm not making a Facebook and a lot of it. What happened? If you miss me, Busa, what happened? Share. God ain't that you record here, hono. And it's a Ghana for the door now blackmail. They record and the 1 year where Mayor will say, one for where Mamia, Mayor will say, so one saw me ha, Mayor will ha, Meko will say, Mayor was adding. At times I have Busami who say, why do people even record people? Now me say it will be a lesson. Mayo, Osimandi. Era, famisi here. Put me here. Also, asem way by me my head. Asem way by I have decided not to talk. Yeah, but I will wait for that 26. I think me say omofanto. 29th of March. I decide what who say me ni pebia. Me ni pebia. Obeka enkofo bebre people talk to me. Me say oka asem adebi wo wa me nya me won. Uka chemia. I have seen it all in Ghana no. So bibi adia ewia simichi any blackmail. Me pe blackmailing. I hate it. Me pe nipa owo bibi. And I'm oya me di be blackmail you. So we are president, so we are MP. Me pe sa ade ne kra. Na no me hu video bi. Obi di video bi kire me. Ya ba thank you. Obi di video bi kire me. Na abayiwa bi a o se oni MP bi akwa mpna. And na MP no onyeme na MP ni eso okoyi na deben. I don't get it. Me ya antetemesa. And I mean I've worked with phone paying for I enyeme wonwa. But me dear me penny say you don't have to. Like video now, they say I'm sharing my share but information now me penny was not enough for me because I'm telling myself so why did you do this again? Why are you mentioning all those names that you are mentioning? Why is the boy now all your video? Why is he attacking the presidency? Why do we do that? Why do we do that? First one, who say you bought me di man because I didn't say anything. I kept quiet. People were expecting me to come and talk about them. Me, you don't know me. Me, Auntie Timisa. Facebook, who will pray like I saw them, so I thought say like later I was say, come on, these people know they are not who they say they are, now they know the people that I thought they are. Because it's like, what would you if you want to bring a video that the president is bare-chested, naked, whatever? Do we need a warning? Do we need an announcement? Me busamo. So who video? Na president, only president appear. Na say you video. The whole thing is around the no. It's not fair. We will not allow like people are going adeno basa. Like Masi, oh, and they a video. Ube huna we and na the friend they release the picture. First picture, I'm release picture last 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Manasi Azuri ko ye picture ne ho ade na Manasi beka tell say picture ni e fake. Manasi be ye find no beka say picture ni e fake. What is it? I don't know why people put themselves through this mental way, you know. So what I don't get it. I can't stand like I ask myself, why are you doing this to yourself? Why? Why are all these people? So if this if this video, if this pictures, if it doesn't impeach the president of Ghana, oh yeah, you know Facebook me see that day no say me saw camera now Mumu binum, you'll be shocked. Because me saw camera no. That day, me Monday, after whatever no, 29 says a video na interview no. Sa entimi ama emra ma ye impeach President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Oh, Evelyn Amanda, me say that day no. You people will know, say, oh, so this is who she is. You will know me. Some people, they know me already. You will know me. Ube will say, I know why I did. That is me. You will know, say, Mandy say, Ade, because I say, idea, this is not something. You put it out there. Put it out there. Rebecca Kuf, and Nana Addo ba, and na ukra we a president ba. We a president ba. Now what is obi ye video? Oh, Bodin said debe. Now obi abet na ho. Ma commentary. Wo ebe yode. We a president ba ebe yode. O papa na akwa taking the decision. You have no clue about it. O papa na akwa you may say this should be a lesson to the security, especially. Me say meeting Rollins.
Young for man within some food in some phone Ghana. Can you Japan when you're in? One power, one some food be ending some phone. Or Trinity back. And looking also could ready in Natama. And also for not to another patch of. Then I have to respect that man of God. And she have a partner against me. When you're Papa, you're youth, or China there 1 year. If you come there. But we are man of God. Nobody was created by Satan. Listen. You're moving wooden before to regime. That you tell your man of God. You and your minister, who can't sampan. Ya can't sampan into and you can Japan, what them percent of the master because this year. Can Japan Japan out time? You use for Japan, my dear to watch it. It's my dear to now the guys is my dear to that many party have for no can't sampan. Just I will do many part. Just I will sell the part. Just I will play the pass. Con your mini passion. It's not a cast of nail, ya. Young people be fine with the audience. Who na me panka audience say and you to na so before na didi papa be second Japan dem so na cassette Akufo-Addo na Ghana fo ache yen kom ho ene mo kwase afo na wo social media so eti so ya osafo wo yo here na do ma ba social media kwasa mu dia ready we will respond for Akufo-Addo ni met me dia drop eso for nigga ka wo yo here ni balance ni mu ma ade na nkofa wo nkofa Bible na nkoken kan nko pesika. Some say I suffer for video. It's remember kind of suffer video because you do. I'm not saying the person you suffer is my choice. Me go with you do. Me dear, and you for matter me. It's my choice. Me too matter because we need trust in your tongue. And you are not here. We need trust in your tongue. David, we need trust in. Hey, but we need trust in. So man for video for them. Hey, what do you we need trust in? Because they are now my meeting. Now my meeting. You to me we say, hey, baby, I do it again. Mr. Lau, me better me social media to do. Now my man can be a doctor. So my Mr. Meeting at the man, yada, you don't call star. Or of woman, yabre. Oh, my Mr. Don't say something like the gate. Always say, Japan, what do you I want I said, what do you compare what you can Japan, a better patrol? Can Japan, where dumb. So, young man, no more Bible, every Bible, every code to, a commanding, say, almost 2 minutes, Yamia, to me,